How to secure Telegram account. So if you want to secure your Telegram account, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you just need to simply scroll down, go with your Telegram application. After opening your Telegram, you need to just go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with privacy and security. Under privacy and security, now if you want to secure your account, if you want to make it private, then you just need to simply go with your phone number and select nobody, so that nobody will be able to see your phone number. Go with your last seen and your online, and here also you need to select nobody, and then go with your profile photo. If you want your profile photo to not be visible to everyone, then you need to select nobody, and same with all the other privacy options. So make sure that you've changed all of these privacy options. Once you've done, if you want to secure it some more, then you can go with password. So you just need to simply change your password, and after changing your password, your problem will be fixed, your account will be secure. You can turn on your 2-step verification, you can add a passcode lock, and after that your account will be secure. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.